Oh, uh-oh.
That was bad.
That was very bad.
Bad thing. Trey!
Hello.
Hello. How's the Peugeot going?
Yeah, it's had a bit of a life. It's had a life. Nothing.
Bump it.
I think that's your only choice, is to bump it at this point. Oh, I think it actually has just started. Did you let it die or did it just die?
No, Monty.
I killed it, I'm sorry.
Oh. So, when will the restoration start?
Of what?
Of this, I was going to say this Peugeot, but never mind.
Well, he's just added to the list of things that need doing now.
It's only a small list of things that need doing.
Oh, hang on! This is a timeless classic! I like the way the wheel's going to hit before.
Oh.
Mind the bumper!
Yeah, you're alright. A little bit more.
It's not alright!
No, he looks fine, mate.
It's not alright! No! Stop it! What's that then?
I'll put my brakes.
Oh, oh. Oh.
Have you got insurance?
Get out of the way! This is a timeless classic!
Let me twist it.
Oh. Yeah.
Cut! Oh, there's some walkers! There's some people!
They don't look impressed with me.
No, they don't look too
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's not nice, is it?
No.
Oh, the back. Hang on. Oh, making some horrible noises, Hayden.
It is. It smells a bit too. Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
that didn't sound good. Have you seen the smoke behind us?
Yeah, I'm tasting it, mate.
That was bad.
That was very bad.
It just sort of died.
Should we put it through the water push to cool it down using the Land Rover?
Yes!
Yes! Yes, back the Land Rover up.
Are you going for a front seat recline? Hello, mate. That's the wrong one. Oh no, bad, very bad. Well, that cooled the engine down nicely.
Oh, it stinks.
Oh.
The main question I currently have is it actually dead?
Well, we don't know. We have to try bumping it.
Again. I mean, it's had a bit of a chance to cool off. Gave it a nice bath.
That's alright, I'm going to shut it. I'm just about to shut it.
Oh, it wasn't as bad as last time.
The brakes have taken a turn for the
Oh, it's
worse.
fine. We don't need brakes.
No, they really have. This is more amusing watching them, to be fair. Oh no! Bad things! Bad things!
Oh.
Tree!
We've hit a tree.
Oh! No tree!
Just don't hit the tree on that side, 'cause my GoPro.
Oh yeah, okay. Hayden's going for a rescue mission, I think. Tree! Oh no! The cameraman's taking a turn for the worst. Oh god, it's going to take Hayden, we're going down now. It's our turn now.
Yeah. We're inside a car now.
No.
Be alright.
But we're also in a car with no brakes or engine. Why do you want to push me with his Land Rover?
We are now moving.
Uh-oh. Hayden, you see how steep this is? Oh no! Oh,
Hello.
hello. We're stuck now. Oh.
You can't park out there.
You can't park down there.
Put that there, mate.
Go on, use those muscles.
Yours on front, why there?
Looking good. The man and his Peugeot.
But then things escalated again.
Keep going!
This should be interesting.
Keep going!
And Elliot found a pickaxe.
We just no.
Why did we give Elliot?
Anyway, back to the escalation.
Oh, it's going.
It's going. It's definitely going.
Oh, there it goes. Oh,
It's not going to work. It's not. It did not work.
it is taking the tree with it. The tree will guide it. Oh, no, it has hit the tree. Oh. Oh dear. Oh. He's widening the entrance.